Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. And broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly brings to you another Run and Gun Wednesday action, the first in our Oktoberfest edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Yung top 3 lang ang merong point 3, 2, and 1 respectively champion, second and third. Alright, so as we go along with our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, we'll proceed right away with our ranking phase for today's action right here inside the Pats Laboratory. Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar po, narito para mag-host ng ating Run and Gun Wednesday action sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Oktoberfest special ng Dipat's Tamiya League SMC. And we'll proceed right away with our race number 1 of the ranking phase today, featuring Polaris taking on MP. Ayan, okay. So Polaris versus MP ang ating race number 1 ngayong para simulan ng ranking phase to start off our festivities on a Run and Gun Wednesday evening, going evening na tayo actually. And for this edition, lahat ng Wednesday, lane 1 munang mauuna, tapos lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, yung mga higher seed, ganun. So in this race number, sa lahat ng odd numbered races ngayon, ay lane 1 ang starting lane ng higher seed, lane 2 naman for even numbered races. Yeah. Alright, so in this race number 1 between MP and Polaris, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. And Polaris will start at lane 2. Ilapag ko na po kasi parehong Super 2. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to start. The Get This Party started right here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference to begin our ranking phase with our race number 1. Switch on. Me. Ready, set, 5. Pangalon, KO. MP, winner. Hit. Di ko na nasalo. Di ko na nasalo. MP, winner. By hit. Hit po yung nangyari. Nahinto. Nahinto-hinto. Nakakuha ng ginto. Durug. Nakakuha ng ginto. Durug. Okay, pwedeng umupo. Basta wag na magulo yung ano. Winner by hit si MP. Black ball pen na lang po sa pare. Tapos, red. Polaris, los. Diyos me. Nabigay. Race number 2 na tayo right away between McLaren taking on Setsuna and our race number 2. And in this matchup this time, lane 2 for McLaren and lane 1 for Setsuna as their respective starting lanes in this race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, nice. Nahento. Last lane danger, McLaren. Final lap. Okay na lang, hindi na kapon. Easy peasy. May iwan si So, race for third matchup. Rematch ng race for third kaagad yung ating race number 5 mamaya. McLaren winner. Para. Nakadalawang race kaagad. Sabi siya, mabilis lang yung pangyayari. Mabilis lang to. Magiging mabilis lang to. So yung mga lower seeded, hindi pa nakapanalo. Third race of this Run and Gun Wednesday edition. It's going to be the battle of Lingayen survivors, Neon Sara and Merrick. First time for Neon Sara to appear in on the Patsamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 2023. And in this matchup of Lingayen survivors, kasi nga po, nadala ko sa 30 itong dalawa. So in this race number 3, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 2 and Merrick will start at lane 1. Alright, race number 3, switch on. Halimaw. Ready, set, bye. Atay! Finally changer, Neon Sara. Final up. Oh, nakabawi. Reiko. Nakabawi. Burog. Neon Sara, winner. No sir, maiwan. Ito maganda, takbuang lasing yung labanan ni Merrick kaka ni Setsu na. Ito maganda laban ito mamaya sa race number 6. Maganda sa race number 6. Takbuang lasing. Takbuang lasing mangyayari. So far, wala pang re-race. Next, race number 4. Ayun, mayroong Polaris pala. Race number 4 will feature Venom starting up its title defense today, going up against Polaris in our race number 4. So battle super to ulit. So uupo na lang po ulit. Tatayo bigla. So in this race number 4, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 this time. And Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright. Race number 4, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Kapala magumbang, butumbang, final up. Sakto lang. Tempo. Win. Venom wins. Alright. Winner. Pantayin nga, loser lang magkabila. Hindi, si McLaurin ang iintay ni Polaris pala. Red. Yan ang may pulang marka. Polaris. Tama. Sumuulan na sa labas. Dala ng bagyong Jenny. Papalabas na bagyong Jenny. Polaris Venom. Lost. Venom won. Race number 5 na tayo habang lumalakas ang ulan. Opo. Race number 5 will feature the rematch from the previous race for third between Empey and McLaurin. In our race number 5, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 1 and Empey will start at lane 2. Alright, race number 5. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Baka nabago ka dito, kahit di. Draw game! Draw game! Kaya lang, that's when we thought, tapos na kay MP. Kaya lang, bait na ko sumimplang di si McLaurin. Ala, draw. Draw game. No winner. Parehong loser. So, sino yung unang natumba? Ay, hindi, si MP, ano? O, di uling natumba. Loser ngayon, hihintay ni MP between Setsuna and Merrick. Yung loser ng race number 6. Antay niya. Tabla. Tabla si MP at McLaurin. Natulumi. Nabatumi si McLaurin daw si McLaurin daw si MP nabasuka. Nabasuka ni Kobaldi si McLaurin naman nasigawan ng Batumi. Batumi sinigaw. Durug. Alright, race number 6 na po tayo between Merrick and Setsuna. Yan. So, sa laban ng sa ating 6th race or race number 6, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and Venom Setsuna rather starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, tayo. Takbuhang lasing. Pagagabong bang bong bang gang. Last two. Kahingalap. Lari, takbuhan lasing talaga. Setsuna winner. Loser nga, hinintay. Next. Race 7. Setsuna winner. Merrick nakadalawa. Imbang pa. Turog. Merrick Setsuna. Tapos si Setsuna kay Merrick. Next. Race number 7 will feature Neon Sara taking on Venom. So yung magkabilang dulo, magkalaban na sa ating race number 7. Again, another battle of Super 2 cars. 5 ang Super 2 na kasali rito. 5 of the 7. Ang naiba lang si McLaurin, si Carbon FM, at si Merrick na VZ chassis. So in this race number 7, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. Alright. It's blue versus green right here in this race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final lap. Atay! Venom winner. Alright. Winner. Ay, well, just try to finish this early. Naka 1/3 na tayo. Mabilis-bilis lang. Green, Venom. 2-0 na si Venom. Split naman si Neon Sara. Race number 8 na tayo. Alright. Race number 8 na po tayo between Polaris and McLaurin. Yan. Yan ang ating race number 8. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. Alright. Race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Hit, winner. Okay na. Winner. Notch. Slight notch. Foul. Foul. Foul shot. Foul shot. McLaren, winner by hit. Winner by hit. Kita naman na yan. Okay. McLaren won by hit against Polaris. Tuwan na pala. Tapos si Polaris, talo ulit. 0-3. Hit na naman. Dalawang hit na yun. Na-slight nudge siya eh. Na-slight nudge kasi nasa lubong ni, ni McLaren. Next. Race number 9. 8 na yun ha. Nakawalo na tayo niyan. Ang lagay na yan. Race number 9 na po tayo. Between MP and Merrick. Alright. MP versus Merrick is our race number 9. Nung Monday, race number 1 sila. This time, race number 9 sa ating ranking phase tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1. And MP will start at lane 2. Alright. Race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Draw game. Draw game. Una na tumba pero si Merrick. Loser, winner. Tapos na si McLaren, Merrick na. Tapos na si tapos na pala si MP kay McLaren. Then loser yan. Winner ang hintay ni MP between Venom and Setsuna. Draw. Merrick, draw. One draw. Merrick, 1 draw, 2 losses. MP, 2 draws, 1 win. Next. Race number 10. Tayo. Dark Warriors. When Dark Warriors collide, it's going to be a Royal Rumble right here in this race number 10 between Setsuna and Venom. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. And Setsuna starts at lane 1. Alright. Battle of Dark Warriors. It's Marvel versus SNK in this race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Walang awa. Ay! May ibang pa. Anong lane ba si tama, lane 2. Tama, lane 2 si Tama, lane 2 si Venom. Tapos lane 1 si race number 10 pala to. Tama, lane 1 ko binuno. Setsuna, winner. Naisahan si Venom, durog. Naisahan si Venom. Naisahan si Venom. Naisahan. Tagadumbang girumbanggang giding ding 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 ding. Darag. Naisahan kay Setsuna. Pulang marka. Namarkahan ng pula si Venom. Right. Race 11. Alright, we are halfway through the ranking phase. Oh, nasa number 11 of 21 na tayo. And in this race number 11, it's going to be Polaris taking on Neon Seraph. And in this matchup, Battle of Greens, ang labanan natin sa race number 11, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1, Neon Seraph starting at lane 2 again. Alright. Race number 11, Siege on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, rolling. Draw. Halimaw yun. Draw game. Draw game. Sumalpok eh. Nauna lang na tumba si Polaris, ano? Ayun. Tapos na ba si Neon Seraph kay Venom, tsaka kay Polaris? Ay kay Venom. Tapos na, no? Ayun. Si Venom, sino ba yung mga tinapos niya? Polaris, Neon Seraph. Ayun, waiting sila. Waiting yan. Waiting yung dalawa. Para pareho. So, yung mangyari dyan, yung unang natumba si Polaris, tapos si Neon Seraph, medyo gumaywang din. So, mauna si Polaris, maghihintay. Tabla, ang laban. Draw game. Polaris, Neon Seraph, draw. So, last two assignments kay Polaris, Merrick and Setsuna. Merrick, Setsuna, yung mga last two assignments ni Merrick at saka si Setsuna, yung last two assignments ni Polaris. So, mangyayari dyan, si Venom naman, ang last three niya, Merrick, McLaurin at saka MP. Merrick, McLaurin, MP. Sige. Pwede na siguro. So si Merrick, sino yung hindi pa niya nakakalaban? Si Venom, si McLaurin at si Polaris. Yun. Okay. Race number 12. Race number 12 tayo. Merrick taking on McLaurin in our race number 12. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and McLaurin will start at lane 1. Alright, race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Good. Patay. Satu. Draw game. Tagaraga bumbang burumbang gang ding 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 ding. Tabla. Tabla. Dalag, tabla. Sino yung una natumba? Merrick. Ayo. So sino yung Sino yung huling natumba? McLaurin. Therefore, si McLaurin tama, si Venom kay Merrick. Tapos si McLaurin kay Neon Seraph. So si Polaris ang maghihintay. Polaris maghihintay dyan. Tabla ang laban. Tabla si McLaurin at Merrick. Okay. 2 draws, 2 wins si McLaurin. 2 draws, 2 losses naman si Merrick. So yung mga natitirang assignments ni Merrick, Venom and Polaris. Ayan, si Venom maharapin na niya sa race number 14. Race 14, lalaro na agad si Merrick laban kay Venom. Tapos McLaurin, Neon Zara yung last 2, tapos si Venom. Neon Zara, Venom yung last assignments niya. Tama, ganyan. So si Polaris maghintay pa. If ever. Okay. MP Setsuna. Yun. Okay, race number 13. Tayo. Yan. Race number 13. It's going to be MP versus Setsuna in our race number 13. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. Venom, Setsuna rather, starting at lane 2. Alright. Race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Patay! Naisahan pa ng takbuwang natin, oh. Pasto. Final up. Draw game. Umimbang pa. Baka na nga lang, imbang pa. Draw game. Draw. So, siya yung isa sa mga ano ni Polaris. Mirik at si Setsuna. Mirik at Setsuna. Okay. So, si MP maghihintay. Kay Venom. Mag-aantay kay Venom si MP. Okay. Finals rematch na tayo sa ating race number 14 between Venom and Murray. O, yung mga naglaban sa previous finals, previous championship race nitong Lunes. Sila na yung magkalaban sa ating race number 14 in a few moments. Ano yan, draw? Sino nag-draw? Setsuna MP. Venom at Neon Zara ang hinihintay ni MP. Okay. Setsuna draw. Tapos MP draw. Puro draw. Panay embang. Ang bagal na nga, embang pa. Ano kaya yun? Race number 14. Rematch from the previous championship race. It's going to be Venom taking on Merrick. Rematch na po ng kanilang finals rematch na to from last Monday. So sa race number 14 na ito, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Merrick will start at lane 1. Alright. Rematch from last Monday's championship race in this race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ay, sayang! Ako, magaling din yan. Final up. Umreno pa. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Nagpreno pa. Venom remaining victorious over Mirik. Hindi nakabawi si Mirik doon. Durog. Yan. Mirik lost to Venom. So last assignment for Mirik will be against Polaris. Okay. Race number 15 tayo. Ayan. Race number 15 will feature Polaris taking on Setsuna. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1 and Setsuna starts at lane 2. Alright. Race number 15. Switch on. Ready? Switch. Ready? Set. Bye. Polaris with a quick start. Final 2. Final lap. Matutundan pa yata. Take off. Kala ko matutundan. Huli na lang tumapos. Tumapos ngayon si Polaris. Polaris winner. Alright. Tumapos si Polaris. Tumapos. Talaga na niya, moral booster yan going to its final assignment against Mirik. Setso na talo kay Polaris. Pang klase tinakbo ni Polaris ha. Nanalo rin sa wakas. Last assignment ni Polaris si Mirik. Ganon din si Mirik. Last assignment din nila. Silang dalawa mismo. Alright. Tapos si Setso na last assignment ni Yonsa. Okay. Race number 16 tayo between McLaren and Neon Sara. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2 and Neon Sara starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 16. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Two. Pailalap. Teko. Tumapos. Isa pang himala. Isa pang di ka panipaniwala. Isa pang di pa panipaniwala. Neon Sara finally winning one. First win this October 2023 on the Pakistani League SMC. Ang last assignment ni Neon Sara, I think si sino ba last assignment niya? Meron pa siyang meron pa siyang MP pala. So si McLaren, last assignment niya, Venom. Tapos last assignment ni Neon Sara, si MP. Tama. Setso na yung kasunod niyang kalaban. Tama yan, tama. Isa na namang di ka panipaniwala. Dalawang panalo na si Neon Sara. Last. McLaren, si Bak. So, last assignment ni McLaren si Venom. Si Venom hihintayin niya after nitong Next. Last 5. Going to last 5 na tayo. Race number 17 na pala, no? Okay. Race number 17, it's going to be Venom taking on MP in this race number 17. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. And MP starts at lane 2. Alright, it's blue versus white right here in this race number 17. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ayun, match na match. Ayun ang match na match, oh. MP ahead. Let's see if MP can hold on to the lead until the final lap. Let's see. The last point changer. Final lap. Attack! Loko! 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 Tugog! Naswertihan pa si MP. Turog! papunta ng ano eh, papunta ng tagan, papunta na siyang pauwi. Final lap na pala, no? Yung si, tama. Lane 1 si Venom, lane 2 si, MP. Tama. Venom surviving MP's onslaught. Venom survives despite the onslaught being brought being the onslaught that have been brought the onslaught that has been brought by MP. Doon na pala siya, no? Neon Sara na lang palang last target ni MP. Ayun. Yun, tama. Pataas si Neon Sara papalik doon. Di sakto. Sakto, 21 races. Ayos. Natalo pa, pa-hit. Na-hit din siya ni Venom. So, it's alright. Sinalo na rin lang natin anyway. Sa mas malala pa. Collision malala. Bangga malala pa tuloy inabot kay MP. Tara, ay kay Venom, durog. Hit, ulit yan. One by hit. One by hit. Tatlo na yan. Tatlong hit. Okay, next, race number 18 na tayo. Yan. Race number 18 will feature Merrick taking on Polaris. Final assignment in this ranking phase campaign against each other. Ito si Merrick at si Polaris. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 18, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Vlogging. Tabla. Tabla. So, tapos na yung dalawa. Tao na natin. Tapos na eh. They will both Merrick and Polaris closing out their ranking phase campaign with a draw. So, blue. Draw. Merrick sumabit. Polaris laglag. Dorog. 4 points. So, ang final score kay Polaris, 4 points. 1 win, 2 draws, 3 losses. 4 points. Si Merrick, 3 points. 3 losses, 3 draws. Baka kulangin. Posibleng kulangan. Okay. Last 3 races in the ranking phase. And this will feature Setsuna taking on Neon Sara in this race number 19. And then this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 and Neon Sara starting at lane 2. Alright, Battle of White PDRs ang ating race number 19. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Last string changer. And next, final lap for Neon Sara. KO! Cruising to the finish line release. Parang yung Vice President lang natin sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang kasimple magtrabaho. Talagang smooth. Parang easy-peasy lang. Neon Sara winner. Neon Sara winner. May isang assignment pa pala siya against MP. So Setsuna will close out its ranking phase campaign with a defeat at the hands of Neon Sara. At the expense of Neon Sara, natalo si Setsuna. Ay, dito pala, Neon Sara. Watasetsu natalo. Yun. Yun, red mark. Tatlong red mark. Tatlong pulang marka. Okay, ano. Setsu na. Neon Sara, isa pa lang so far. Okay, so 7 points na si Neon Sara. Last two races, penultimate race of our ranking phase tonight will feature McLaren taking on Venom. And in this battle of Let's Go Villains, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane... Ay, hindi, baliktad pala. Si Venom ang lane 2, then McLaren ang lane 1. Yon. Again, Venom lane 2, McLaren lane 1. Those are their respective starting lanes in this penultimate race of the ranking phase. This Run and Gun Wednesday edition. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Ayun ang matcha-macho. Venom ahead. Suabe. Ayun, na-jinx. Sabi ko lang suabe. Na-jinx sila. Okay, Drogen. Na-jinx eh. Akala ko si Venom lang na-jinx eh, pati si McLaren pala. Drogen. Tabla. So both Venom and McLaren closing out their ranking phase campaign with a draw. The only draw for Venom. Kaisa-isang draw ni Venom yan. McLaren, tatlong tabla. Surprising. It's surprising. So final score kay Venom, 9. 4 na panalo, isang tabla, isang talo. So 9 points. McLaren, 2 wins, 1 loss, 3 draws, 7. 7 points. Setsu na, 5. Yan. Okay. Setsu na, 5. 2 wins, 1 draw, 3 losses. 5 points. Si McLaren naman, 2 panalo at 3 tabla, isang talo. So 7. Finally, but not the least, is our 21st and final race of our ranking phase tonight. And it's going to be Neon Sara taking on Empay. So it's going to be white versus Battle of White Rollers na naman sa ating Dipats Tamedic Stock Motor Conference to close out our ranking phase this Run and Gun Wednesday evening. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 1 for Entei and lane 2 for Neon Sara as their respective starting lanes in this 21st and final race of the ranking phase tonight. Switch on! Lane 2 pala. Lane 2 for Entei, lane 1 Neon Sara. Ready, set, bye! Yun, namat. Okay. Burumbang, burumbang, ding 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 ding. KO. Empay winner. Na Tolome si Setsu na Empay closing out its ranking phase campaign with a victory and 4th and final hit. Pang-apat na hit ngayong gabi. Pang-apat yun, huli sa ranking phase 4 of the 21 hit ang nangyari. Pang-apat. Pang-apat na bangga na Tolome si Neon Sara durog. Hello. At least dalawa lang talo ni Neon Sara. Win. Hit. 4 na hit nangyari. Okay. So, final score kay Empay. 7 din. 7 points. Para sila ni McLaren. Sila rin yung tabla. 1 loss, 3 draws, tapos 2 wins. 2 wins. Darag. Tiebreaker, most likely. Tiebreaker most likely yan. Si Neon Sara, 7 din. 3-way tie. Dalawa lang maglalaban dyan. So ito na yung mga score natin. Score line natin are as follows. Yan. At the end of the ranking phase for today, for this Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamili Stock Motor Conference, it's going to be Venom topping the list. Top seeded si Venom with a total of 9 points. Yan. 4 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw. So, making it a total of 9 and making it the top seeded car. So, yung second, yung battle for second place, pagtatalunin, hindi. Si Neon Sara ang second. Neon Sara in second kasi kahit pare-parehong 7 points si na McLaren, MP, si Neon Sara, 7 points apiece. Pero ang pinagkaiba ni Neon Sara, may 3 panalo siya against hindi katulad din na McLaren at MP, tigalawang panalo, tigatlong tabla at tig-isang talo. Ngayon, si Neon Sara naman, 3 panalo, 1 tabla, 2 talo. Pero ano yan, yung pag merong mga 3-way tie na ganon, number of wins, kung ilan yung panalo. Si Neon Sara, 3. Si na McLaren at MP, tigalawa lang. Pare pa silang 3 draws at 1 talo. So, therefore, si Neon Sara yung pangalawa. Yun. 1, 2. So, yung 3 and 4 ang pagtatalunan. Number 5. Si Setsuna confirmed number 5 with 5 points total. Then, si Polaris number 6 with 4 points total. 1 win, 2 draws, and 3 losses. Si Mirik naman, tigatlong panalo at talo. Therefore, unfortunately for Mirik, si Mirik ay maagang mamamaalam ngayong gabi. Diba? Pero ang maganda lang kay Mirik kasi may mga bago na siyang magagamit pag sa team labas. Baka sa Grand Prix na natin makita yan yung bagong modification kay Mirik. So unfortunately for Mirik, siya may pinakamababang score with only 3 points for at the end of the ranking phase. So unfortunately, si Mirik, yung maagang mamamaalam ngayong gabi. So ang pagtatalo na lang natin yung 3 and 4 positions. Okay na tayo doon sa Okay na tayo dun sa tawag na rito. Okay na tayo dun sa tawag na ron. Yung number 1, number 2. Yung number 1, number 2, okay na. Highest quotient si Neon Sara, si MP at si McLaren nagtabla sa 7 points, but due to the quotient system, ang may pinakamaraming panalo si Neon Sara. 3 against only 2 apiece between McLaren and MP. So, number 5 si Setsuna, tas Polaris number 6. So, dito yan. Okay. So, yung 3 and 4 ang pagtatalunan. Yung 3 and 4 ang pagtatalunan. So, sino yung number 3, sinong number 4? Kaya mangyayari dyan. Kasi tabla sila Si McLaren at si MP, nagtabla rin sila. Pare silang 2 wins, 1 loss, tsaka 3 draws. At the same time, yung isa sa 3 draw nila, sila rin na magkalaban. So, meron tayong short tiebreaker pace muna. Alright, in the short tiebreaker pace between McLaren and MP, this will determine who's number 3 and number 4. So, in this match, nakuha na kasi ni Neon Sara yung isa pang outright semis berth. So, pasok siya. Pero hindi pa siya garantisado kung makaka-point siya. So, in this tiebreaker phase, McLaren will start at lane 1D. Hindi. Pang-ilan ba si McLaren ng Pang-ilan ba si McLaren MP? Lane 2 ata eh. Lane 2. Tama ba? Lane 2. Lane 1. Palit na sila. Lane 2 si McLaren kanina, no? Tama. Yan yung race number, yata? Yung race 1, sino man nanalo? Race 2, McLaren 1. Tapos si MP against 1 din. Nanalo si MP, si Polaris naghintay, tapos si McLaren Setsuna ang hinintay niya, yung winner ng winner ng duelo nila. McLaren ang nanalo doon. McLaren ang nanalo doon. Teka muna. Ganito mangyari dyan. Race 1, CMP, lane 2 yan. Tinalo niya si Polaris. Si Polaris ang lumaban kay Venom. Ngayon, yung si MP, naghintay siya ng manalo sa race number 2. At si McLaren yun. O tama, sila yung naglaban. Sa race number 5. Tama, lane 2 si McLaren, tapos MP. This time, McLaren lane 1, MP lane 2. Ayun, maliwanag na. Okay. So, sa tiebreaker test na to, switch lane sila. Kasi kanina, race number 5 itong dalawa, si McLaren at si MP. So, lane 2 yung starting lane ni McLaren, si MP lane 1. This time, baliktad. Si McLaren ang lane 1, si MP ang lane 2. Alright, tiebreaker pace, switch on. Last man standing concept is applied right here. Ready, set, bye. Race to 6 o kaya, yun. Ayos na. McLaren number 3. MP number 4. Ayos na. Okay. So at the end of the ranking phase for today's edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, here are the final standings. Yan. Si Venom ang titingnan na lang natin dito sa crosshatch na to. So si Venom ang nanguna with 9 points total, 4 wins, 1 draw, 1 loss. And then yung number 2, 3, and 4 pinagtalunan pa, pero due to the highest quotient, Neon Sara with 3 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw, making it number 2. Compared to McLaren and MP sa 2 wins apiece and 3 draws apiece and 1 loss apiece. So, ano na to? 1-1-3. Ay, hindi. MP pala, tatlo. Nakalimutan ko, si MP pala. Yan. 2-1-3. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Kaya nagtabla yung sino. At the same time, tabla rin sila nung duel nila nung race number 5. Therefore, naglaban ulit sila sa tiebreaker pace on a switch lane. Meaning, palit sila na starting lane. Kanina, yung previous starting lane, palit lang, baliktad lang. So, after that last man standing tiebreaker pace, si McLaren ang nakakuha ng third seed, si MP nalagay sa fourth seed, and then solo fifth, si Setsuna with 2 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, 5 points total. And then, Polaris with 4 points total, 1 win, 2 draws, 3 losses. And unfortunately, si Merrick ang nangulilat with 3 draws, 3 losses, making it the official kulilat for today's edition. So, siya ang papalitan ni Metalder on Monday, October 9. Alright. So, ayan na tayo sa ating, so, buo na yung cast ng ating knockout stage. And we'll proceed right away to that knockout round with our quarterfinals number 1, which will feature lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2 ngayon, di ba? Okay. So, ang una nating quarterfinals will be 4 versus 5 matchup between MP and Setsuna. So, yan yung magiging una nating quarterfinals matchup. So, pwede na po tayo magpunas ng gulong tsaka Dragon's Breath. Pwede rin. Pwede na po. Playoffs na kasi. So, in this quarterfinals number 1 for this London Gun Wednesday edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. And Setsuna starting at lane 2. Yun. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Ano na mangyayari yan? Buti na lang, di pa ako nakakalasan ng gulong. Alright mga ka-D-Pat, you're still watching D-Pat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this Run and Gun Wednesday evening of October 4, 2023. And we are now in our KO stage that will be started right away with this quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. It's black versus white. Dito sa ating QF1. Ready, set, 5. And take it a quick start. Grabe naman yung talon. Nako, naisahan. Ay, patay. Patay ko lang pa. Kala ko masusundan na eh. Nasertihan pa. Nasertihan pa. Pero, Final lap pa pala, no? Final lap pa pala yan. Okay. Wow, fun. There you go. Naswerte yan pa. And unfortunately for MP is eliminated for this quarterfinal for this knockout stage early on, with Setsuna advancing to the semifinals for the first time. So Battle of Dark Warriors ang mangyayari sa ating semis 1 mamaya. In the meantime, it's semifinals number 2 between the 6th seeded Polaris and the 3rd seeded McLaren. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2 this time. And Polaris will start at lane 1. Alright. Yan. Ren. Buti na lang, alam ko yung location ng mga motor. Kaya madaling mabugahan ng Dragon's Breath. Shoutout ulit ha, MSR team, saka sa kay Sir Beats de Guzman, dyan nag-coin ng Dragon's Breath niya eh. Alright mga ka-dipat, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch up! Ready, set, bye! Okay, winner! Winner na yun, that's it. Game over. And unfortunately for Polaris eliminated early right in the first lap, saying goodbye to its semifinals bid. And it's going to be McLaren returning to the semifinals round, facing Neon Sara in our semis 2 later on. So sina MP at Polaris, si Vacation ang inabot kasama ni Murray. Alright, let's see kung babalik sila. So, hindi natin alam kung may babalik natin si Magmar on Monday. Let's see. Kung may habol pa natin. Alright. Semifinals round na po tayo right away between Venom and the top-seeded Venom taking on the 5th seeded Setsuna. So, yung 5th seeded car ang nakapasok. Tapos, traditional 2 and 3. 2 versus 3 yung semis 2 natin. So, in the semifinals number 1, the battle of 2 Dark Warriors once more. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and Setsuna starting at lane 2. Alright. Hey, sorry. 18. Okay. Ito rin. Adjust konti down thrust. Medyo na yung down thrust ko. Delikado to eh. Baka umiimbang pa. Mabuti na. Pawala na sigurado. Naloko na. Alright mga ka-dipat, we are now in our semi-finals round of the KO stage that will be started right away with the semi-finals. Number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Lang dapat. Kaya lang dapat eh. Medyo nag-alos pa doon sa labas eh. Lucky. Final lap. Easy. Winner. Umembang pa. Pero, ano ba naman yun? Mas mabagal na nga, umembang pa. Durug. And Venom will return to the championship round once again to add more points on its aggregate total of 3. So sa ngayon meron siyang 3, defending champion kasi itong si Venom, at meron na siyang 3 points. Pwede pang maging 6 points yan or 5 points going into the championship race to the final stage of this tournament for today. Next, semifinals number 2 na po tayo between Neon Sara, the 2nd seeded car, against the 3rd seeded McLaren. It's a traditional 2 versus 3 matchup right here in the semifinals number 2. And in this matchup, it's going to be the Lingayen Survivor Neon Sara starting at lane 2, and McLaren will start at lane Ay, hindi, baliktad pala. Lane 2 ang starting lane ni McLaren. Then, Neon Sara starting at lane 1 Raptor. Alright. Yan. O nga pala. Baliktad na pala ngayon. 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 pala, no? O, then sa semis 2, lane, ano siya? 2. Lane 2. Sa Lunes, lane 1. Ayun. Alternate starting lane po kasi ito eh. Yan ako na yung down toss niya. Mahirap na. Okay. Tapos ito rin. Alright mga kagipat, let's get ready to rumble in the semis 2. Switch on! Ready, set, ride. Patoy! Napapunta! What? Last 2, final lane changes on McLaren. Swabe lang. Final lap, magandang laban ito mamaya sa championship. And it's going to be McLaren returning to the championship race of the Patstamillig Stock Motor Conference facing Venom. So si Venom at si McLaren, yung mga Let's End Go villains ang magkalaban sa ating championship race for this Run and Gun Wednesday edition. And in our race for third, it's going to be Setson, the 5th seeded car, taking on the 2nd seeded car, Neon Sara. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 1 again. Lane 1 ulit, kagaya nung kanina. Dahil ano kasi alternate starting lane po tayo. Yung higher seed si Neon Sara, kaya balik siya sa, parang nabalik lang siya sa lane 1. But it's because Neon Sara is a higher seed. 2nd seed siya. Yung si Setson na 5th seed. Okay. So in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara at lane 1 and Setson na at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Alright. Ipan ko pa lang na. Sorry. Ipan ko pa lang muna. Ay. Sorry. Dito pala. Sa likod. Rear engine pala yun. Right mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third. This Run and Gun Wednesday evening right here on the Patstamillig Stock Motor Conference. First to 6, switch on. Ready, set, ride. Last 2. Final lap. Nako, masusundan pa yata. Ay. Okay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Alright. So unfortunately for Setson na, hindi siya makakuha ng points dahil nag 4th place lang. And first point on its aggregate score this month of October 2023 for Neon Sara after finishing 3rd. So dito na lang yung yung podium. Dito na lang yung podium. Yung 2nd nasa kanang kamay, yung 3rd nasa nasa gitna yung champion. Ganon. Alright. So nilagay ko na dyan yung yung 3rd placer. Dito na yung podium sa gitna. Para mas madali. Alright, finally we are now in our championship race for today's Run and Gun Wednesday edition, and it's going to be the defending champion Venom trying to defend its crown once again against a mighty opponent in McLaren. So the veteran versus the youthful exuberance of Venom going at it in this championship race. And in this match, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and McLaren starting at lane 1. Baliktad po. Again, it's an alternate starting lane format here in this Stock Motor Conference of the Patstamillig. Ang regular season po natin magpapatuloy sa May 2024. Doon po natin i-resume yung mga naunsyami natin ngayong taon sa the Patstamillig Season 4. naka-4 na race lang tayo. Kaya lang yung 4th race parang wala na akong gana nun dahil nga sa masamang kalagayan nga ng daddy ko. Kaya ganun na yung nangyari. So, the most reason bakit hindi na ako makapag-race, there are 2 reasons. One is because hindi ako nakasali nitong May 2023. Tapos nung June nga, nagkasakit pa si Dad. So, since then, dahil hindi ako nakasali, even 1 race a month, busted out the whole year. Kaya January na ulit ako makakalaro. Hindi ko alam kung makakalaro pa ako talaga. So, I don't know mga kadipat. Hindi ko po alam ngayon kung makakalaro pa ako sa Team Labas. Baka uugod-ugod na ako nun bago ko pa yung magawa. I'm afraid ganun ang mangyari. So, hopefully nga lang we hope for the best. We just hope for the best na lang sana. So, please pray always para sa akin, para po sa amin ni Dad, at saka para sa shout out din sa mga tumulong at mga sabihin na rin nating mga sumalisi. Yan. Tirada sa mga salisi, tamaan na kung tamaan. Kung ayaw matamaan, maglaro na lang ng chess. Alright, mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to close out this Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference with our championship race for tonight. First to 6, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Aba, palaban si McLaren. Nakahabol pa yata. Oh my goodness. Final lap, let's see if Venom can hold on to the lead. Oh, still the champion. Holy smoke. Nakabuti pa yung shoutout. Nagpaganda pa lalo ng laban. Ganun pala dapat yun. Kailangan para gumanda yung laban sa DPAT's Tamil League, huwag kakalimutan ng shoutout. And still, our champion, back-to-back champion dito sa DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference this October 2023 on our Oktoberfest special. It's still Venom retaining the crown, retaining the championship throne against a fighting McLaren. Ibang klase talaga itong si McLaren. Napagandang laban ang pinakita ni McLaren. To culminate our festivities here on DPAT's Tamil League SMC. Ibang klase. Grabe. Ay, paano ba to? Up ito, second ito, third ito. Yan, dapat gano'n. Okay. So red natin, narito na po yung podium finishers natin for this Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference. Congratulations to Venom being the champion for back-to-back champion for today's edition of DPAT's Tamil League SMC. And ibang klase, ininaan na yung battery at lahat, nanalo pa rin, ibang klase. Naghandi pa, pumartida na po yung inyong lingkod dyan, pero nanalo pa. Hindi pa rin napigilan. What more pa kaya kung mas malakas yung baterya, di lalo mahirap talunin yan, Sa bagay, yan talaga yung specialty ng mga Big Spider. Yan talaga specialty nila yung gano'n, Yan, yung mga curve na yan na sunod-sunod. Tsaka ito pa, yung sunod-sunod na curve na to. Specialty talaga nila lalo na pag nasa inner lane sila tapos biglang mabuela doon sa jump yung medyo mataas-taas. Grabe, bang klase. On the other end, McLaren from third place finish last Monday. This Wednesday, McLaren will finish second and additional 2 points on aggregate, making it 3 points this month. Venom with 6 and Neon Sara with its first point on aggregate after finishing third. Alright, so 6, 3, 1, at tapos si Merrick 2, lamang pa si Merrick ng 1 point. Maski natanggal ngayong araw na maaga, ngayong gabi. At si so sila pa lang yung nakaka-score. So si Neon Sara pa lang pala yung pang-apat na naka-score. So mayroon pang-apat na hindi pa nakaka-score for now. after this week, after the first week of the Pads Tamiya League SMC this October. And that will do it. For again, the podium finishers are right here in front of you. And to close out our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of the Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 4, 2023. And once again, this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Paragular, signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will drop by anytime on our video log every Monday and Wednesday live at 5 p.m. onwards. Sa An Evening with D. Paragular, 6:30 p.m. sharp naman every Friday. Except October 13, absent po muna ang inyong lingkod. Alright, uli. Ang last day ng D-Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 2023 will be on October 28. Hindi po 30, kundi 28. Yan. So that maka-prepare po ng maaga for November 1, 2 pala, November 2. November 2 edition ng ating D-Pads Tamiya League. Umpisa natin November 2. Sa November 2 yung simula, tapos balik Monday, Wednesday uli. Yan. Alright. So once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy. Avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities and toxicity at all times and at all costs. At muli po, this has been D-Pat Aguilar, leaving you a pleasant Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. Have a blessed Wednesday, everyone. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Pilipinas. And God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Run and Gun Wednesday action right here on D-Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. See you ulit sa October 9 sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Oktoberfest special ng DTL SMC. For now, this has been D. Paragular saying, Shukran, Tusentak.